Good evening, Namaste, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. Thank you for joining us today. सृजनशील 2020 एक प्रतियोगिता जो कि एड्यूमिस द्वारा आयोजित की गई थी. एड्यूमिस is the largest digital partner for schools in India, offering reliable websites and tech-driven solutions exclusively for schools. और हमारी parent company है StudyApt, the smartest school search engine which helps you to choose, review and apply for the best schools in our network. The event is sponsored by Skill in a Box. They help you learn and build technologies through hands-on learning and provide certification approved by the Government of India. Do visit skillinabox.in for further information. आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया कहना चाहती हूँ हमारे लॉयल कस्टमर्स को जो कि हमारे पिलर्स हैं and the credit for our success story belongs to them. Coming to today's event, which was organized to fight this corona time, and you all did it with zeal and enthusiasm by bringing out the best in you through your creativity. Thank you for the overwhelming response which actually made this contest a success and difficult for us to choose the winners. The participation figures are displayed on the screen. Winners announce करने से पहले I would like to say that more than winning or losing, participation is important. Showcasing your talent is important. Building your confidence is important. So, a big applaud for all our participants. And for this, all our participants will be given appreciation certificates from Edumiss. Well, let's start by announcing the winners of the drawing competition, which was our first category for classes pre-primary to class 3. In this category, the third prize goes to Tiasha Bera of South Bengal School for her creativity showing how to fight COVID-19 virus. There is a tie and Shraddhagraya Jana, again from South Bengal School, shares the third position along with Tiasha Bera for his art skills portraying how to keep yourself safe from the virus and how God has sent angels in the form of doctors and nurses to save Mother Earth from this pandemic. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Second position. Well, the second position has been bagged by Adhiraj of Saint Anselm School for the portrait of a beautiful lady, and the background colors are adding magic to it. The first position goes to Shreyas Bhimshankar Satpute from Manigarh Cement English School. Hats off to his creativity illustrating the movement towards digitization. Well done, children. Your creativity was the best. Coming to the next category, that is Best Out of Waste, which was for class 4 to class 8. Okay, at the third position we have Abhinav of Sanford World School. He has made an organizer to keep mobile phone and remote control with old newspapers. Kudos to your efforts. Okay, यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास एक tie है third place पर और third position along with Abhinav जाती है Shoaib Ali को, an upcoming engineer from Manigarh Cement High School who has created a study lamp along with a fan. Wow, hats off. Ritul Pushkal of Manigarh Cement English School has secured the second position with a beautiful piece of art made with waste material. Well, second position पर भी हमारे पास एक tie है and Bhavna Chundawat, an upcoming architect of Alokdeep English Medium School, has designed a beautiful house merely with the help of old newspapers. Imagine What is she gonna do with real construction material? I guess she's gonna do wonders with it. Okay, now the first position. The first position in the category of Best Out of Waste, we have Atharv Salve from Manikgarh Cement School, who has created these beautiful sculptures with newspapers and has given an amazing effect with colors. Congratulations, children. We now move on to the next category. That's the last category, which is creative writing, which was for classes 9th to 12th. In this category, the third rank has been grabbed by Suhani Deepak Neher of Manikgarh Cement English School. She has written a beautiful kavita about her experience, about her learning during the lockdown. At the second position in this category, we have Samiksha Pitambar from Manikgarh Cement School, who has amazingly penned down her learnings during this COVID-19 time to stay positive and healthy. Moving on, our winner at the first position in this category is Ritish B. Guttedar, again from Manikgarh Cement School. In his write-up, he states that how important it is to stay grounded and attached to your roots, and that's what he learned during this lockdown period. Well, children, hats off to your creativity, your enthusiasm, and your talent. Well, it's still not over. Like I told you that it was difficult to choose just 9 winners out of this talented bunch of more than 2,000 children. So our list has few more names. Yes, the consolation prize winners. And we have Swaraj Ravindra Shirke from Zilla Parishad International School, Nitin Prasad from Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay School, Shivam Jaiswal from Blossom Heights Public School, Kumari Swara Rajendra Shirke from Zilla Parishad International School, Aradhya Valmik from Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay School, and Jia Rai from Bright Future Public School. Congratulations to all the winners, their parents, and most importantly, their mentors who have shaped them in this beautiful manner. Well, children, the best contributing institutions were Manikgarh Cement High School, Zilla Parishad International School, South Bengal Public School, Bright Future Convent School, Angels English Medium School, Sacred Light Senior Secondary School, Alok Deep English Medium School, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Vidya Mandir, Coral Academy, and Blossom Heights Public School. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response from these schools. Great deals coming your way. Well, children, here is a look at the rewards for the winners. Your gifts will be mailed to you soon. All our participants will be given appreciation certificates for their hard work and creativity. Keep it up. A grand salute to the enthusiasm and creativity of our school community. Special thanks to Skill in a Box. Stay tuned for more such events coming your way. That's all for today. Have a great day ahead. Wishes and blessings